original, girl, you want a replica. No. Smoothie, no regular. No. Different.
Good morning, guys. I'm about to make breakfast. I have been here for a few days now, and I'm happy to be back. Breakfast is done now. I have to set it up. This view is breathtaking.
It really is. And so is this breakfast.
I'm so glad.
Me too.
What are your plans for the day?
Just work.
I'm going to drive around and explore the city. Okay, so breakfast was amazing. He is incredible. He just makes everything feel effortless, you know? And I have a lot of moments like this where I just step back and think, wow, I'm blessed. Here you go. Enjoy. Thanks. Bye. Guys, this day is so beautiful. Anyway, Eric, update. He has tried to call, but I'm not interested. Like, what are we going to talk about? Like, you are engaged, dude. So from now on, I'm done with that situation. Chapter closed.
I'm the chef here.
No way. I'm calling Uber Eats.
Ready for the main course?
Yes, it smells amazing.
Here you go.
Perfect. I love nights like this. Just cooking, chatting, laughing. Feels like a normal life, but elevated, you know? Good morning, guys. I'm feeling refreshed. Just wanted to start the day with a little coffee and sunrise, because honestly, can you even believe this view? Ethan is taking me out. We are going on a drive. He wants to show me his favorite spot. Must be nice being a boss. You make your own schedule. I love moments like this with you.
Me too. It's perfect. I used to come here a lot as a teenager.
I get it. It's beautiful and peaceful. It's so beautiful here.
Not as beautiful as you.
Oh, stop it.
Never.
She is. What do you think of my outfit, guys? I love it. By the way, this dress is from Shein. Here, try this.
That's incredible.
I'm glad you like it. This is good. Why didn't you order dessert?
I'm good, really. I think she ordered too much food. Again.
I'm just enjoying it. All right, good night, guys. See you tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It's day 3 here in Durban, and I just had to start my day with a little walk on the beach. Honestly, these mornings are just giving me so much clarity. I feel so grateful for everything, for being here, for getting to know Ethan, for just life. Breakfast is served.
Thank you, Destiny. This looks delicious.
This is so relaxing. This view is incredible, isn't it?
Not as incredible as you.
Oh, stop it.
Never. This view is incredible.
It's perfect. I'm so glad we came.
Me too. This is perfect.
It is. I love this.
Being here with you.
Me too. I had 5 siblings. It was total chaos.
Wow, I traveled between South Africa and the
That
Netherlands.
sounds like an adventure.
It was, but I missed the chaos.
To us.
To many more.
These are amazing.
Right? Best we've had.
Let's get more.
Definitely.
That's delicious.
I knew you'd like it. Shall we?
Yes, let's. This is so good.
Right? Let's get some more.
Yes, this market is amazing.
It is. Delicious.
Told you so.
You were right.
I usually am. Let's get more. That was fun. I never knew I would have so much fun eating samosas at the market, but I guess Ethan made the experience better.
It's so complicated. Here we go, my mornings, everything is faded. Maybe this is karma, definition of jaded. This stays on my mind, this stays on my mind. Trying to put a mother on my face of feeling. One minute I'm going in, the next I'm tripping. No, there's somebody who I swear she don't do trust. It's so complicated. Here we go, my mornings, everything is faded. Maybe this is karma, definition of jaded.
This is such a perfect day.
I couldn't ask for better.
This stays on my mind.
This is perfect.
Just like you.
Baby, it's in my time, baby, it's in my time, baby, it's in my time, baby, it's
Having a good time?
The best. I'm glad we came.
Me too.
Nice, right?
Not bad at all. Watch this.
I'm watching. Nice shot.
Told you.
Show off. Cheers to us.
Cheers to a great night. Cheers to this. Cheers, man. This is the life. Absolutely. So chill.
Look who is here, my girl Aaliyah. Hey everyone, so good to see you all. To a great night. Cheers.
baby, it's in my time, baby, it's in my time,
You look amazing.
Thanks, you too.
To us.
To us. Wow, this place is stunning.
It really is. Look over there.
I love it. Let's go see.
Look at this one. Isn't it captivating?
Yes, the colors are incredible.
And this next one is even better.
Oh, I agree. This place is absolutely stunning, isn't it?
It is, but not as stunning as you.
Oh, stop it. This place is incredible.
It really is. I'm glad we came.
Look at that piece over there. This place is stunning.
Not as stunning as you.
Oh, stop it.
I mean it.
Oh, a message. Thank you for taking me out for breakfast.
Of course. I'm so glad we could do this.
This is really good.
Yeah, it's delicious.
We should come back.
Definitely.
This is delicious.
It is. How's yours?
Perfect. I love this place.
Me too.
Look at these flowers. Aren't they beautiful?
They are. Almost as beautiful as you.
Oh, stop it. So, I'm going to get my lashes done, and I might go to the mall. I'm not sure yet. Thank you so much. You're very welcome. Enjoy. Have a great day. You too.
You know, same shit. I've been on the low key, grinding. On the low key, shining. Trying to keep to myself, but you bring me out together every time again. Damn Gina, them jeans, they must be uptight, mama. You need some gift by mama. Go Gina, go Gina. Go get that gift by mama. Go Gina, go Gina. Go till you get by mama. I belong to nobody, hope it don't bother you. You come mind your business. I belong to nobody, try not to disturb. Mind my business. Go Gina, go Gina.
3 glasses later, I need a shower, then dinner. Hopefully by the time Nathan gets home with dinner, I will be done.
If you learn to be loved by your own nature, not because of somebody else or something else. If you just become love, not love somebody, then you will know the nature of love. Then you will know the nature of love.
This pizza's great.
It is. I'm glad we did this.
Me too. This is nice.
It is.
Cheers to us.
Cheers.
I love this.
This is so cozy.
Yeah, it's perfect.
More popcorn?
You know it,
Oh, this is so good.
right? I love this part.
Me too. It's perfect.